Hey guys, welcome to this Samsung guide, and here I'll detail how to check Samsung display. So if you want to check whether Samsung display screen or touch screen is normal, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So basically you can see my Samsung phone touch screen is normal. So if I have any faulty or problem with my Samsung phone screen, then this is going to tell me that my Samsung phone screen is at fault or I need a replacement. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to check Samsung phone display or to check Samsung display, you just need to just go ahead and open the membership app on your Samsung phone. So just come here, search for member, and then open the membership application on your Samsung phone. And if the membership application is missing your Samsung phone, all you just need to go ahead and open the store app on your Samsung phone, which is the Samsung store. Open it. Now, once the store app opens, click on the search at the top right and search for Samsung membership. So Samsung member application. Then click on that. Here, if the application is not installed on your Samsung phone, just go ahead and download and install the application. Once you download and install the application, click on the open button. Then open the Samsung app and sign in with your Samsung account. So if you have not created a Samsung account, go ahead and create a Samsung account and then sign to the Samsung members app with your Samsung account. Now on the Samsung members app, locate diagnostics and click on it. Then here you have phone diagnostics, app battery usage diagnostics, and app safety diagnostics. Go ahead and click on phone diagnostics. Then here you have access to all your phone diagnostics here. Now locate touch screen or touch display. Click on it. Once you click on it, be prompted to tap each square and drag your finger across them. So tap each square, drag your fingers across them. So this will confirm whether your Samsung phone screen display is still working perfectly. So just keep doing this. So you need to make sure that all the squares are filled. So just keep doing them. And once you're done, you should see the state of your Samsung phone screen. So if the display is normal, you should see touch screen normal. If it is not, then you should see otherwise. So that is basically how to check Samsung display. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.